Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to easily capture a scrolling screenshot on Windows. So in my case I'm using Windows 11, but on Windows 10 this will work as well, this method. So guys, as you can see, I've opened up snipping tool, and this inbuilt native to Windows snipping tool doesn't actually allow us, well maybe yet, to capture scrolling screenshots. So as you can see, if we press new, we can only capture these types of windows and areas, so rectangle, window, full screen and freeform, but there's no option to actually record a scrolling screenshot. So instead guys, let me show you a really cool app that allows you to do this very easily. Okay guys, so just make sure to open up your browser and let us type in search ShareX. So this is a really cool, lightweight piece of software that allows you to take scrolling screenshots. Just press on download and you can either grab it from here as a setup or grab it from Microsoft Store. For example, I will grab it from Microsoft Store. Just press on view in Microsoft Store like that. And as you can see, you can download this, the official Microsoft Store application. And now just open it up and let me show you how to use it. Alright, so there you go guys. So this is what this piece of software really looks like. This is the interface. As you can see, we have multiple options, but we're looking for the scrolling screenshot. So I just opened up this Google News page to show you guys how this works. Alright, so go to capture, and then in here from the menu, choose scrolling capture right here, like this. And now as you can see, it will search what you want to capture and just select this window in here. As you can see, like this, click, and it's going to scroll now. I'm not doing anything. And bingo, as you can see, now our screenshot is taken. And if I scroll down, this is our long screenshot. And also you can see there's the resolution of it, quite long. So that's pretty much how this is done, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, press like on the video and subscribe. See you soon, guys.